question is left view or right view of the binary search tree. So this question is very simple. I will highly recommend try to do this on your own, because if you are following this series from the beginning, so this question should not be any should not give any trouble to you and should be a cakewalk. But still I have to discuss the solutions, so I will discuss it. If it's a right way of the binary tree, so only these are the nodes which I will say that I can see if I am watching from here. Okay. And if this node was also here, then in that case I will say that this node I am also able to watch. So it's not like I am only following this branch, but it's like I have to travel whole tree, and then I have to see that okay, so this node can also be my answer. Got my point? So basically you have to travel whole tree. So time complexity will be definitely log n, right? And what are the nodes which I am including? I am including the nodes uh, which I see in the end of the level, in the end of the level, in the end of the level, end or last, in the last of the level, in the end of the level. Okay, got it? So if I do a level order traversal, you can do it using pre-order, in-order, post-order, or level order traversal. So I mostly prefer level order traversal. So if we do a level order traversal, so I will say that okay, this one is the last node, include it. I do a level order traversal, I will say this node is the last node which I have encountered. What is the last node? I will find the last node at I is equals to n minus 1 in my for loop, correct? So I will say okay, include it. I will go here, I will say that this node is at I is equals to n minus 1, so I will include it. This basically means that the last node, right? So this is the simple code of this. And if the question was like left view left view of the binary search tree, then what you will be including? You will be including the nodes which you encounter for the first time from the which you encounter for the first time in the level. So in this level I am encountering this first, in this level I am encountering this first, in this level I am encountering this first. But as I told that it's not like going to like this means just going left 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 left. The answer may be going like this also. So you have to travel whole tree. So time complexity is log n, not height of the tree. You got it? Why it's log n? Because you have to travel whole tree. So here you will be including the first node. So only when I is equals to 0 means the first index, in that case only that node you should include in your answer. So this one is for right side. I may have told something wrong from left and right, but you got the intuition and you got how the code should be written for both of the solutions, so that should not be any problem for you. Here is the code for right view. And the simple thing I am doing here, if I is equals to 0, it means the first node, and I only need to include the first node. So I will include it in my answer. Rest is the level or a traversal. Okay. And if they would have asked left view, so in that case just simply write here n minus 1, and that's the only change you need to make in your solution. So I hope you have understood both the solution of both the problems. What is the time complexity? Simple, log n. Why it's not log h? I already told you, because it's not like you are going left 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 left. It's like you have to travel whole tree, because The behind nodes may be going uh, more more depth, and for that you have to travel whole nodes. So its time complexity is log and not this height of the tree or depth of the tree.